Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka number 3 and 4. He should be known as a perpetual sannyasi who neither hates nor desires, for free from the pairs of opposites, O mighty armed, he is easily set free from bondage.
Chapter 5, Shloka 3. Jneyas nitya sannyasi yo nadveshti na kankshati nidvanto hi mahabaho sukham bandhat pramuchyate.
Children, not the wise, speak of Sankhya, knowledge, and yoga of action, as distinct. He who is truly established, even in one, obtains the fruits of both.
Chapter 5, Shloka 4. Sankhya yoga prithak balaha प्रवदन्ति न पंडिताः एकमप्यास्थितः सम्यक् उभयोर्विन्दते फलम्.
Chapter 5, Shloka 3 and 4. Who is a true sannyasi, one truly free from bondage, is made clear in this shloka. To judge a true sannyasi, Lord Krishna gives more importance to the mental condition rather than the outer physical appearance. He considers him a sannyasi who neither likes nor dislikes. Since the self is beyond the mind and intellect, and likes and dislikes are the functions of the thought which constitute the mind, as long as one has likes and dislikes, he cannot be a true sannyasi. Mortal existence is the realm for the mind intellect to function in. The goal of the sannyasi is to go beyond the realm of change. Mind intellect is the vehicle for the pair of opposites which has no entry in the self. Therefore, he is not a sannyasi who has likes and dislikes in the mind-intellect vehicle. The description of the true sannyasi is given to discourage Arjuna from an unprepared dash into sannyas. Shloka 4. Lord Krishna now points out that Sankhya, the path of knowledge, and Yoga, the path of action, are not distinct. As established in either one, you obtain the fruits of both. Sankhya involves the renunciation of the sense of agency in any action, and Karma Yoga blocking the dissipation of energies by the anxieties for the fruits of our action. By both these methods, any ordinary action can become divine action of dedication and worship. Sankhya method is difficult as only one with a subtle intellect can use it, for he can understand logically that his ego has a very minimal role in the working of the total universe. For the immature childish minds, the path of action is more suitable, as they cannot conceive that by both paths you ultimately reach the same goal and are equally effective. More in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.